Hello, welcome to Pete Maxwell YouTube channel. This is a video tutorial on how to engage the auto tuning process for our ME65 series temperature controller. Before I get started, I'd like to explain what is auto tuning in a controller. So auto tuning basically is an automated process that determines the optimal PID control parameters for a specific thermal system. Instead of manual trial and error tuning, the controller performs a control test to analyze the system's response and calculate the best settings. So with that being said, means the controller have to be installed in your actual system, and otherwise the auto tuning doesn't make sense. So for example, if you're using this controller to control an oven, you have to install the controller in the oven system before you start the auto tuning process. So it's pretty simple in terms of how to engage the auto tuning. Just press the left arrow button over here. You can press the left button. So the upper display shows AT, means auto tuning. The lower display shows off, means the auto tuning is turned off. So use the up key or down key to turn the auto tuning on. Now the auto tuning is turned on. Press set button. You can see the lower display shows the setting value, and the AT alternatively means the auto tuning has been engaged successfully. Now the auto tuning is a fully automated process, so please do not intervene during the entire process. The auto tuning will perform by itself and will terminate it when it is finished.